I wish a good day to everyone. Let's begin our English class. Today we are going to go through voices and we are going to take up the tense past perfect tense. Now we see that in active voice we have subject plus had plus third form of the verb. In order to identify past perfect tense, what do we have? Had plus third form of the verb plus object will be given, and in passive voice object will take place of subject plus had. Now had always goes with third form of the verb, so we have seen that be was been, and been is the third form here. So we will apply had plus been plus, according to rule, third form of the verb plus by plus subject. Let's have a look at an example. She had lost her bag. She had lost her bag. This is active sentence. Now we have to convert it into passive one. So we will do her bag had been. Her bag had been. We will apply the word been here. And third form is already applied. Her bag had been lost by whom? By her. So she will be converted into her. Now, exercise number 19.11. Convert the following sentences into passive voice. So at first place we are having she had already solved the sum. Now we see that the sum is an object here and she is the subject here. So what do we do? First of all, we will notice the verb given. Had already is an additional word and solved. It means had plus third form of the verb is given. So we are dealing with past perfect tense. We have to notice this verb because it's compulsory to sort it out into passive voice. Now the sum, again had will be converted into had. The sum had already been solved by her. Now class, this is quite easy to convert it into passive voice, because what we have to do, we have to add only this word been, this third form of been. Is it okay? The rest of the letters will remain same. We are dealing with had and plus third form of the verb is already applied. Okay, now it will be so easy to do if you go through it carefully. Next is the officer had issued a warning letter. Now a warning letter, A will be capital, a warning letter. Now class, here we see that a warning letter is singular, but in past perfect tense there is no rule of singular and plural. With all the subjects we will go with had. A warning letter had been issued. A warning letter had been issued by the officer. Third is the police had arrested the culprit. Now the police had arrested the culprit. Now if we are having culprits, even then what do? We will apply had verb, because in past tense there is no rule of singular and plural. So it becomes easy. The culprit had been arrested by the police. At number 4, we are having the sentence, she had not submitted her application. Now here we are having not word, means negative form is present here. So her application had. Now after had we will apply this negative form. Her application had not been submitted. Third form is already given, submitted by, she will become her. Likewise, at 5th place, Rasika had left her job. Now we see that object is her job, so it will become subject in passive voice. Her job had, now we have to add up the word been left by Rasika. I had already seen that movie. That movie had already. You have to add up the word already. That movie had already been seen by me. The doctor had examined all the patients. Now here we are having a long object, all the patients. All the patients had, because I have told that there is no rule of singular or plural subject. So all the patients had been examined by the doctor. Tendulkar had already left the game. The game, now the object will become the subject in passive case. The game had already been left by Tendulkar. And on the next page, page number 120, we had not broken the promise. Now we'll sort it out. The promise had not been broken by us. Student, again I am reminding you, while attempting voice, just go for the verbs given, so that you may have the clear-cut picture that we have to add up the word according to the given tense. This is past perfect tense, so we have to apply the word been. We will applying it. The carpenter had fixed the furniture. The furniture had been fixed by the carpenter. So class, this was your exercise number 19.11. I hope now you are able to solve this exercise by your own, because it's quite easy. Thanks for watching.